Hello, world history! So, do you remember that silly putty? I know I didn't bring it down from my office and I'm in the online learning lab right now, which you should totally come to, by the way, at some point. But that silly putty that I split in half and I was having issues with which side was the east and which side was the west, do you remember that? Well, this is that unit where we actually get to talk about what the east and the west are doing. This is the Middle Ages. So, gone are the days of the Greeks and Roman Empire, and a new age has begun in the world, and there's a shift in power, and the culture is going to move to a bunch of different places, okay? So I have my silly putty up there so you can see, but we have a kind of the stuff going on in the Byzantine Empire over in the, what is that for you guys, east? I don't know. And then over here in the west, I think I'm doing it wrong, east, west, it doesn't matter. Over in the west is where the Roman Empire had unfortunately fallen, and then we had a problem because there was no more central government, and so we have this amazing system called feudalism that's going to pop up there instead, okay? This is a great unit. The Middle Ages is really, it's the middle. Why do they call it the Middle Ages? Because it connects that that old Greek and Roman thought to our new era, which is coming after this, the Renaissance. So it's literally in the middle, okay? As usual, you got your essential questions and your lesson objectives down below. And if you have any questions regarding anything at all, shoot me a nice little Canvas inbox message, and I'd love to help you out. Thanks so much, guys.